Welcome back, my hungry people. You have been watching, but have not been subscribing. This is why today I will lecture you on how to make my vegetarian MASSAMAN curry. Let us begin by pouring my precious oil into the pan. Then, quickly dump in the potatoes, carrots, straw mushrooms, and ground soy proteins. Then let it just sizzle and cook till they turn edible. Now, shovel in your MASSAMAN curry paste and add your H2O. Let it simmer and boil like the heat of the summer, burning like the sun, as this dish will get more spicier as you continue to boil it. Block, block, block. Oh, don't forget, add in your MSG. In goes my onions, joining the boiling party. Give it a good stir. I'm now inserting my 2 rock sugar sticks. I remember my muchacha told me,
just 2 sticks of this sugar makes the curry go down in the most delicious way.
are you not entertained? Why, let's also add some green capsicum to give this dish some nice color. Plus, it's healthy for you. Boil, boil, boil. Continue the boiling. Finally, I mixed up some of my creamy coconut concoction to pour into this spicy MASSAMAN curry, as this will diffuse some of the heat coming from the curry sauce. I also chopped up some very green leeks. Lastly, a dash of fried garlic for the finishing touches on this beautifully prepared vegetarian MASSAMAN curry. Everyone who watches this will like, subscribe, and press the bell button.